This is Choctaw Beach after the hurricane. Wanted to come down here and see what it looked like, and holy crap, it's a daggone mess. Oh, this dock is not happy. Oof. It is literally a mess over here. I don't know whether this is like all hurricane or whether they kind of like tore some things up. I think it's hurricane because there's a lot of, yeah. Wow. Yeah, right here is what was my normal like sitting spot. Was. Wow, hey, all the steps are gone. The dock is completely torn up. This is insane. Water level's back to normal, but it is, oh, like the end of that dock out there is gone. That used to extend all the way out. Wow. I'm sure they'll come out and fix it. I'm not even going over there. Okay, I lied. Got a lot of flies and stuff attacking me. They're like, you shouldn't be here. And I'm like, my bad. Okay.